So here are the methods of fixing your screen not working, right? So if your screen goes black on your Google Pixel 9a. So the first one is a freezer method. You can place the device in freezer for 15 to 20 minutes and then you shall try perform a restart. Then goes the tap method. So switch your phone and you may gently tap the screen at the back of your phone to make sure that no internal components are shifted. Then you can try gently massage the screen and the back of our device with our fingers. Like with such movements, this may help realign slightly displaced contacts because sometimes it happens. Also, don't forget to try whether something is moving inside. So shake your phone. If something is moving at 100%, some of your contacts has shifted. Also, try get your charger and plug it in. Leave it for some time. Maybe your phone is just discharged or something happened with the battery, and if the screen goes colorful again and it works again, then it may be an issue with your battery. Also, do not forget to check your buttons, so make sure that this button is not stuck, that it's working, press them. And last but not least, and that's what you should do actually, the first step is to restart your device. So locate your power button, here it is, and locate your volume up button. Now hold those buttons simultaneously and hold them until you'll see your Google logo appearing. This will start our restart process, and basically that's it. If none of those methods work, the issue may be hardware related and you should contact your Google support. And also remember that warranty still may be valid if the phone hasn't suffered any physical damage. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.